we're doing Vlogmas Day 5. Clarence is a homeworker. What do y'all talk about? Let's get into it.
It's not very Christmassy.
I mean, what you mean?
Hey, baby. What you doing? Oh, you watching Black Panther. Wow. Did you eat something?
Oh, that's cool. He's gonna be dressed up as the Black Panther now.
Oh, you didn't want to eat nothing now? You ain't eat nothing yet? What's that? Oh, yeah, I see. That's a cute dog. Give me kisses. Mwah. Mommy's gonna cook breakfast, but I started late. It's 2:20, but I'm gonna cook some breakfast anyway.
What you gonna cook?
I'm gonna make some eggs, some bacon, and I think a bagel or some waffles. You remember those waffles Mommy bought you?
What waffle?
The cinnamon ones?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some of those. Mommy about to go make breakfast, okay? I'm gonna call you back afterwards, okay? But make sure you answer your phone.
Okay.
All right, give me a kiss. Mwah, love you. Okay, you hang up first.
No, you hang up.
No, you hang up.
Let's go first.
You go first, please.
Girls go first.
Oh.
You scared to hang up on Mama?
Yes.
No, I want you to hang up on me, CJ. I don't want to hang up on you.
Okay, let's count in 3.
All right, ready? 1,
1,
2, 3. Did you pull out the vacuum cleaner? Legend. Yo, you cannot leave this boy alone. What you watching?
He's been in that cabinet.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Let me blow your nose for you. Look at that. Oh, snotty nose, baby. Here, let Mommy wipe your nose.
Oh,
Come on,
uh-oh.
let me do it.
Uh-oh.
Come on. Let Mama wipe it. Ew. You got toilet paper in your mouth? Aw. He's just watching it with no sound. All through the town. All right, y'all. We about to start off with a little breakfast, you know. I'm gonna, mix my eggs here. I was gonna do fried eggs, but I decided to just do scrambled. Oh, let me get the bagel. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May.
All right, Queen.
Well,
I guess you say.
All right. What can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl.
We the back up.
My girl,
My girl. We got you, girl. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, we need some more napkins. Do you guys put butter on the pan before you start the eggs?
Yes.
I don't know about you, but I do, boo. No butter left behind. Turn this oven on.
Or avocado spray.
Slide across there. Yeah, you better glide. There we go. Oh my God, y'all. Not me using the wrong pan, bro.
It's a griddle.
Man, that's the pan for the bacon, bro. Why, Queen?
It's okay, girl.
Yeah, you could have made it
Now I
in
gotta
there.
rinse that off. Don't nobody want no butter bacon? You know, today I'm just chilling around the house. I was going to have Lee take Legend because she wanted him to stay the night tonight. And I was gonna go out to the mall, do some more shopping. But I just put my pajamas because I think Leggy caught a cold
Uh-oh.
from his fellow classmates. Hello? I'm just trying to figure out time would be good, 3 or 4. Or, well, 4. She said she really wanted to take him. She missed him, but I don't know because, like, Lee can take care of him when he's sick, but it's just, she might need help because, like, sometimes when his nose gets stuffy, I have to use this aspirator right here. My mouth goes here, and I literally suck the boogers out his nostril, but literally somebody has to hold him down because it's hard. And he will not take his medicine. Legend used to be so easy going with medicine, but I don't know what it is. Like he won't take it no more. I try to sneak it in his bottle nipple. It's not really it's not a infant nipple. It's more like a toddler nipple. Try to sneak it in there. Oh, this one right here. Next step up to a sippy cup. He won't. I gotta get him off of this too and get him on a different one. But my butter is burning. Oh my god, my butter is burning.
You know what burns my butter?
Oh my lord. See,
Burnt butter.
See? I don't care. He's still about to be good. He's still about to be good. Now what? Now what? Let me turn it on medium. To scramble it nice and good, like you gotta make sure you don't let it sit too long. Scramble these eggs up real good. I use a fork to do mine. I ain't got no, we ran out of like shredded cheese, so I'm gonna have to slap a American sliced cheese in there. Oh man, it almost got burnt. It's alright, y'all. It's still gonna get the job done. A piece of sliced cheese, but see, I'm gonna break it up in here, you know, so it can melt. See right there? I turned it off. Take the top to the pot, and I was gonna put it on top. Oh dang! So the cheese can melt. Now let me put this bacon on the other side. You feel me? Cause you know, I know y'all miss my beautiful face. Clarence is downstairs. He should be up soon. We actually want to make a gingerbread. Well, we don't want to make the gingerbread. We want to design the gingerbread house because we bought the pre-built ones. I should have got the thick cut bacon. I like that one better. Boom, 4 strips right there. We're gonna let that fry sizzle on up. And then put it on a bagel, have a bacon, egg, and cheese. Yeah, go ahead, crinkle that bacon up. Yeah, crinkle up now, crinkle it. I'm playing with you, bacon. Let's see how this melted. Ooh, that melted so beautifully. Get that bacon, all that bacon grease. Almost done, y'all. I'm gonna show you the finished product. That bacon, egg, and cheese. Boom. And Clarence, he like ketchup, but I hate ketchup. Ketchup is disgusting.
I don't know.
Invented this, but
is that New York? Comment below if that's New York.
See that? Now watch that. Bring this to the center. Bring it to the center. And you're gonna take it and wrap it. Lock the heat in. What's the matter, baby boy? What's the matter? You don't like my socks? So y'all, I told y'all earlier, Lee might come to get Legend and look.
Oh, take date.
I'm probably gonna go to the mall before it closes to get him some more gifts. I don't think I want to take take you guys because y'all might tell on me, and I don't want you guys.
Y'all, who we telling?
Right.
Who can keep a secret?
We're supposed to be making these gingerbread houses, me and Clarence. We're not making them, but designing them. We're supposed to be designing these right here. Oh my God, I was supposed to call my nail lady back and I didn't.
Uh-oh.
Shoot. It's time, y'all. The battle of the gingerbread. We got on our aprons that I bought from Hobby Lobby.
You got a wall that separates
right.
like you cheat.
It smells good. I'm gonna eat it. As you guys can see, in front of us we have a divider because I don't want him seeing my house because I feel like he gonna copy because you know that I'm
Team Queen on this.
That you're an artist?
We have our
She
own
good at art.
Right. I'm Team Queen too.
Oh, by the way, last year we failed at building this house, so
we got it made this year.
Yeah. I really bought some lights for my house. I mean, I bought some lights and some extra stuff. You can have that.
You lost already, sweetheart.
No,
you ain't supposed to tell him.
Right.
Babe, I don't know. Maybe I'll let you borrow a little bit.
I get one candy cane.
Okay, it's only one door and two
windows.
windows.
And I get the door.
One window. No, you don't get no door.
There's only
one door. You can have a window.
So how am I supposed
You can have a window.
Get a door?
Babe, you don't need a door. Design your door. Make your doorknob out of a candy.
Yo, she's already cheating.
And what?
Bite it.
Right.
Why both of them doing it at the same time?
It is a hot mess. Y'all got that in common.
Uh-oh.
Just a
Kinda
cardboard.
hard.
Timer for.
Why you kept on
Like the
licking
wild
it?
right now.
Right.
Got the wild about to go crazy.
Man, shut up.
Crazy.
Mine don't look way better anymore. Alright, so let me.
Ugh, the candy stank
They do? Come on.
like mint.
Alright, y'all ready?
Stink
Here we
like
go.
mint.
3.
Wait, what's the front? This is the front?
Yeah, whatever it is. We're gonna turn it around.
Alright, hold on. Let me turn the front.
Right, because I gave it a crack on purpose.
Oh, Queen!
I don't see
Nah, because you always win everything. You ain't about to win this.
Oh, don't be intimidated.
I'm not intimidated. I just don't like cheaters.
Girl, you just call me a pumpkin eater.
Cheater, pumpkin eater. That's what you are. Bruh, I feel like you cheating, bro.
Wow.
You doing your house just like mine. Oh, no.
No way. No way.
Don't touch my house.
Babe,
Don't touch my
take
house.
them lights off.
No.
She's
No.
doing the same thing I'm doing. Yo,
No,
what
bruh.
is
So
no.
where the lights up? Where else the lights supposed to go?
I had the lights first.
Bro, leave me alone. I got a different pattern.
Babe, you're doing the same pattern.
I'm not doing the same pattern.
You're just
Wait, you
doing
wouldn't even have no
different
lights if it wasn't for
colors.
her, Claire.
Well,
And this partition is not working.
Right.
bruh, no, I bought these lights. You know what I'm saying, to go in my house. I'm sharing it with you.
Do your own thing.
Said that.
I am doing my own
But you
thing.
like-
Watch how different mine is going to be versus yours. Have you ate the frosting? Is it good?
Girl, don't get distracted.
Not bad. Don't look
Stop
over
looking
here. Don't
over
look
here.
over here. Clarence.
Nigga, you're looking over here. Just
No.
caught you looking over here. Stop.
You looking over here. Don't look over at my stuff. I see what you trying to do, cheater.
I like that. I like that.
I need a better partition. Look at his face. He get petty Claire over there. He said she a cheater mode.
What color you got?
I got Mont Blanc.
You wear that all the time. It smells so good.
Don't get distracted.
What's up?
Mont
What
Blanc.
you want me to do?
Uh-oh.
What you want to do?
See, he trying to distract you, Queen. Don't fall for it yet.
Don't look over here, Clarence. That's like a piece on your house.
Oh,
Getting creative. That's what it's called. You don't know nothing about it.
Oh, yes, I do.
Where's my window?
Don't touch my door.
oops.
Trying to get slick. I see you. You know it's gonna be me. That's why I'm trying to
Ooh,
Queen.
sabotage.
No, I'm not.
You know his roof already broke.
I'm not home.
Say I went by default. I see you, Queen.
Don't do that.
Stop
Stop trying to copy me.
Over there.
Stop trying to copy me.
I like
bruh.
this
Over
grapefruit.
there. Creativity's gonna win this for me.
Bruh, what is that?
Creativity.
Clarence. No, that's
Creativity.
That's
Creativity. Look, see, I do snow and then I'm sure this girl doing snow.
That's not even snow over there. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what yours is. It looks like someone came on your house.
Oh,
You know what, Claire?
Claire.
Y'all ready to reveal houses?
It said it's time. It's time.
No, I didn't. You said it's time. You ain't the boss.
It's time. It's time.
No, I have to redo this. I have to do
Y'all
this.
should have had a timer.
Oh!
See, if you wasn't over here, my business.
They might as well take that wall down because it ain't had nothing.
Right.
Don't do that. Y'all ready for a reveal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Don't do that. Are you guys ready for reveal?
Yes.
3, 2. Turn your houses. 1. Whose house is better? Bruh, you know my house. My house
Look like he got
kills
ads
yours,
on it.
bruh.
Be honest. Come on. You don't have a bowl in your house.
Bro, it don't matter. Look at. I have a door, a window.
I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think?
Yeah, y'all comment below.
Oh, no, because only one door can.
I can't tell you which one I like better.
Take this down. Which one is better, y'all?
Cause hers is almost too much, but then it's
honestly,
colorful.
it looked like a
And I like the
kid
gum
did.
droppers in the
Like, I feel
front,
like mine
in the
has a
door.
little bit more etiquette.
No, it don't.
It does. It does.
Mine is better. Mine
Yours
is
is
cute.
too much. You wouldn't do your house like that.
Yes, I would.
You wouldn't.
Sit down. Put your house down.
They did. Somebody did copy that front of the roof though.
Right.
All right. We're going to end this video out, but I want...
Ooh!
All right.
He said, "Ew." She not this.
Oh.
Hurricane Queen. Oh, she took the roof off. She really Hurricane
Look,
Queen.
her going. Oh. Like, comment, subscribe,
Share if you care. Click the bell to become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.